Hello friends, welcome to Wisdom Jobs. I am Sri Priya. Now let us see today's job notification details. So friends, Arunachal Pradesh Public Service Commission is inviting for the recruitment of 2020 with the competitive examination for the recruitment of 79 vacancies. So before watching this video, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click bell icon for upcoming notifications. So friends, as I said, Arunachal Pradesh PSC is conducting an examination, right? So this examination is combined competitive pre-exam, that is prelims exam. So friends, this is with offering vacancies of 79 for various posts. So let us see the educational qualification details, examination details as well as the important dates of this application form. So firstly, there is an application fees for the application form of ₹100 for the candidates belonging to APPSC ST only, that is Arunachal Pradesh Scheduled Tribes candidates, and ₹150 for general candidates, whereas the fee payment mode is through the online method like net banking, credit card or debit card. Now coming to the important dates, the last date of an application form is 16th March 2020. That means application forms are available right now. So make sure that you all apply before this last date itself. Now coming to the date of preliminary examination. So as I said, it is a pre-examination, that is preliminary examination. So this will be conducted on the date of 17th May 2020 and followed by preliminary examination. The candidates who are qualified in the preliminary examinations only will be eligible for taking the mains examination. So this mains examination will be conducted in the month of October, that is 17th date of this year 2020. So according to the highest score candidates only, you will be able to getting into the mains examination. So friends, now getting into the age limit details. So according to the March 16th of this year 2020, the minimum age limit is 21 years and maximum age limit is 32 years. So candidates between any of these age will be suitable for applying this job, and age relaxation details are according to the recruitment norms itself. Now coming to the qualification. So the candidate to write this examination, he or she should have the qualification of any degree. So you may have like your MSc or BSc or engineering or diploma, any of your degree that is suitable for taking or writing this examination and getting into the job. Now the vacancy details, as I said, there are 79 number of vacancies. Now let us see the examination pattern. So basically any public service commission belonging to any state, either Chhattisgarh or Punjab or any state. So it will be in 3 steps like preliminary examination, then followed by mains examination, then followed by interview. So the candidates who are qualified in the preliminary will be taking mains examination, and even in the mains examination, filtering the candidates who are high scored, they will be getting into the interview. And after interview also, who pass an interview will be getting into the job. So this is how the step-by-step process will be. So now firstly, let us see the examination pattern. So the preliminary examination will consist of again 2 papers. So objective type of papers. So objective type of papers in the sense, for one question options will be given, you have to choose the right answer for the question. So but it's like a multiple choice question. Now the paper 1 will consist of general studies for 200 marks and the duration will be 2 hours of duration, and marks scored in this paper will be counted for qualifying your mains examination. So as I said, with this qualification marks only you will be getting into the mains examination. So in the paper 2 will be the aptitude test, that is CSAT. So 200 marks will be conducted with 2 hours of duration. And friends, even in the same way, you should have at least scored 33% of an aggregation in this paper 2. Now mains examination syllabus. Now let us see the mains examination syllabus. So paper 1 will consist of general English, paper 2 will consist of essay, and paper 3 and paper 4 will consist of general studies like history, civics, Indian heritage, culture and everything. And in the paper 5 and paper 6 will be optional paper 1, and paper 7 and paper 8 will be optional paper 2. Like optional papers is nothing but the subject you choose, either your agriculture or it could be your mathematics, geometry, social studies, accountants, like your finance, economics, civics, anything it could be. That is of according to your qualifications. So for all the sections, for the paper 1, that is 200 marks will be given for the general English, and for the paper 2 100 marks will be given, and for the paper 3 and 4 400, like from paper 3 to paper 8 for all the papers will be 400 itself. So this is how the sections are classified. So friends, firstly I will be telling some preparation tips also, like preparation tips in the sense Basically, there is no negative marking for any of these papers. So you may write you may take your examination in a very easy way, and make sure that you will prepare from your online mock test and collect your previous question papers and perfectly. Like general awareness is a vast subject, so you have to make thorough about it, mostly concentrate on the current affairs. And firstly, you may be taking your exam easily in the optional studies, because optional subjects are chosen by you according to your education, right? So those will be very easy. So mostly concentrate on the easy subjects, then concentrate on the hardest subject. And don't forget, practice makes man perfect. So firstly, practice all the papers thoroughly. In this way you may take this examination well. And in basically interview, after the mains examination, as I said, there will be an interview, right? In interview, make sure your body language, your creativity thoughts, your speaking skills, communication skills, and everything should be balanced. So when you crack, so because most of the aspirants who are writing this public service like examinations, so they may reach up to the interview, but they may not qualify an interview. So they may lose mostly in interview itself. So make sure you will be perfect, confidently you will take that interview and get this job. All the best guys. I hope you all like this video, and if you have any queries, you can follow the link that we provide in the video description too. So this is all about today's job notification, exam details regarding this job notification. I will be coming up with new job notifications for you all. If you like this video, please raise your thumbs up, share and comment. Thank you for watching.